We got a turbocharger. It's out of a 2008 Thomas school bus, pusher, Mercedes MBE 900, and you can see it's did some major damage to the housing. And the reason being the end play, its thrust washers failed. You can see the compressor wheel is hooped. So the code that came up was 2631. It's very common for this engine model. It's boost performance. And we've dealt with this code many times. And it's a lack of boost or exhaust leak, one of the two. And this is obviously it's pretty clear why the code came up. The turbo's dragging and the boost has dropped extensively. Let's have a look at the new turbo. It's already installed. Here's a new turbo. It's installed. We're just finishing up. And I was talking about removing the air cleaner piping, and just reach in on the shaft, and there's absolutely no end play on the new turbo. And like I said, if you have an exhaust leak or a charge air leak, that will give you code, but this was a major failure. And luckily the turbocharger didn't dynamite on us and make a big mess. It would have been what do you call a catastrophic failure or something like that. So another thing to check is the charge air cooler. Block one end, and then we just clamp make some pipes on both ends, and adapter for a regulator with 25 to 30 psi. And soapy water, check the core out. And like I said, it's a very common problem on a Mercedes. It's 2631, boost performance. If you own one, you might experience that once or more than once. It happens quite a bit.